Okay, the first step to get to your flasher relay is to remove this little plastic piece right here. There's 2 screws, Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, next step is to remove this little metal plate right here. I think it's some type of heat shield / knee plate. And there are 4 screws. There's one here, 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 and there. And using a Phillips head screwdriver, simply remove those 4 screws. Okay guys, this is the flasher location for a 2000 Jeep TJ. And if you can see, it's right behind that little coil of wires right there. Alright, I'm going to zoom out and show you where that is located. Okay. So it's attached to the right side of the steering column. Or the passenger side of the steering column. In order to get to it, you have to take off this little plate right here. There's 4 screws that hold it in, the little metal shield, and then 2 screws that hold the plastic coverage on. So, one more time. As you enter the Jeep, it's going to be, take this plate off, and it's going to be on the right hand side of the steering column. And you can see it right there. There's a bracket, right? It's got a bolt that holds it on. Right there. Okay, so what I've done is taken this little piece here out and cleansed up where the contacts meet this copper. Did it on both sides. Also, I cleaned the little contacts down in the bottom here that you see. So after you do that, then you reassemble the relay. Okay, so this is the repaired relay. I'm going to put it back in its location, which is right here. And I'm going to test it. I'm going to cut the key on. And let's see right here. Left. Right. It's working. Alright. Great.
Is it good?